Okay, just arrived this one, Indian Scout 2019, really bright and clean, been well looked after, shiny fork legs there, all the wheel rims are good, consumables all excellent as you'd expect on a bike like this. Got a really nice Pathfinder headlight fitted to it there, nice option there, fly screen coming down the right hand side here, all lovely bright and clean. It's got the Vance and Hines slip-on silencers that everybody seems to want. Just down underneath there you can see there's just a little scrape. You always seem to touch down on one of these, they do sit really low to the road. There's nothing untoward, that's normal really. K-Tech shocks, okay, lovely upgrade that. 2019, full Indian service history. First service I think was done about 4,000 miles, and then the chap had another one done at about 5,700 I think it was, all done by Indian dealer. Lovely down there, just as you'd expect, bright, fantastic looking bike that. Mileage 8969. Fantastic looking and sounding 2019 Indian Scout. Pop down and have a look. Any trial